Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to hide a volume from Windows 10 File Explorer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. Open the File Explorer and click on this PC and look, this is the volume CCNE. I want to hide this volume from Windows 10 File Explorer. Okay, now to do this, right click on Start menu, click on Disk Management. Look, this is the E drive and I want to hide this volume from here. Okay, now right click on the volume and click on Change Drive Letter and Path and select here the volume and click on Remove. Click on Yes. Click on Yes again. And now minimize the disk management. Look, the partition is hidden right now. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.